In this video, I'm going to reveal to you 4 proven tips that your breakup is temporary. Number 1. If you had strong, passionate love in the past with your partner, most likely your breakup is temporary. It doesn't matter if now they try to ignore you, or pretend to be angry, or actually make themselves angry at you, or they're infatuated with somebody else. Go back to the moment where you felt true connection with that person. You looked at them, they looked at you, and you just knew with your whole heart that they are the person for you, and they are your soulmate. You remember that moment? Now ask yourself, is it possible to just erase that feeling? No, it's not. You can suppress it. You can try to ignore it. You can try to not pay attention to it, but it's still there. The question is how to get them back to realize it. Watch the video till the very end, and I'm going to tell you what to do to get them back in touch with that feeling. Number 2, any strong emotion towards you is passion. People who truly don't care about somebody, they just meh about that person. I don't know. Yeah, I don't care. Like if somebody would tell me something about some pop star, I couldn't care less. It just happens that I don't want to know. Same with somebody you don't care about. You just have no opinion one way or the other. But if they get angry every time you mention you, they start ranting, or they get like those weird kind of jolts, and you see them stiffen up and they want to change topic, that means they have a strong emotion towards you. Any passion is passion, and getting so-called negative emotion into so-called positive emotion, just letting the conflict reveal itself, healing it together, and then you can get back together again. Third, discussing you with other people. Now that's a very crucial one. If you get those signs from friends and family that he talked about you this, he talked about you that, or she talked about you this way or that way, that's a very strong sign that they care. Now, it doesn't matter if they say something positive or negative. So don't get discouraged if they badmouth you. That has to do with our previous sign, them being emotional, defensive, angry. That's totally normal. When people go through changes, when they are emotionally confused, and your partner, your ex, is emotionally confused, they sometimes do those things. They allow themselves childish behavior. They regress to certain things. Didn't you notice that from the moment of breakup they kind of acting like teenager? Well, that's quite normal. When a person is in the crisis, they regress. So don't worry about what they say. Is the key thing that they do talk about you, and that's enough. And the most important sign is that you want to do something about it. Because if you don't do anything, there is no likely sure way to know if your breakup is temporary or not. They're trying different things. They're confused. They don't want to see the love and acknowledge the love that they have for you. Maybe they're trying to do something with another person. Maybe they're just closed off. Maybe that they got to the point where conflicts between you became unbearable. And they are pretending that it's over. It's up to you to be the adult in the room and make the necessary steps so you make up, so you get together again, and that you're a happy couple again. Now, what do you need to do? Well, usually it's a long, complicated process that takes about 2 months. Anybody who says that they have a solution, which is like a magic pill and it takes only 3 steps or 3 days, yeah, things that sound too good to be true are probably too good to be true. But there is a way. There is a way to go through all those stages and carefully make them see that they truly love you, and realize that behind all the disappointments, conflicts, arguments, get to that true feelings. Once they realize they love you, there is no way back. So if you want to know more about how to do it, first and foremost, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Second, go to the link in the description. Watch a more detailed video where I reveal what you need to do exactly in order to get them back. And you will. I believe in you. And there will be more happiness in the world because the two of you will be together. Thank you for watching. Click on the link below and I'll see you in the next video.